how to delete a profile on Disney Plus. So let's say you have a Disney Plus account and you have multiple profiles of people that you were letting use your app, but you want to go back and delete those profiles. Maybe they don't use your account anymore. So it's real easy to go in and delete those profiles. So what we can do is go into your Disney Plus app, and you can go down to the bottom right-hand corner, and that's going to bring you to your profiles and stuff like that. What you want to do is go ahead and click Edit Profiles. And we're just going to edit by hitting the little pencil icon at the bottom right-hand corner of that profile. And what we can do is go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you can hit Delete Profile. It will ask you to confirm the deletion of that profile, and that's it. So we can go ahead and hit delete, and that's it. The profile is gone, and now you can go through and delete other profiles if you have them on your account.